Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech. Today, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Edge crashing when opening PDFs on Windows 11 10s in just 3 easy steps. Microsoft Edge crashing when opening PDFs on Windows 11 10s is a common issue that can be caused by corrupted browser settings, outdated Edge versions, or conflicts with installed extensions. Additionally, corrupted PDF files or issues with the Windows operating system can trigger these crashes. To fix this problem, you can try updating Edge to the latest version, clearing the browser's cache and settings, disabling extensions, or resetting Edge to its default settings. If the issue persists, repairing or reinstalling Edge might be necessary. Step 1. Clear Edge cache and cookies. First, let's clear the cache and cookies. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data and select Choose what to clear. Check cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Clear Now. After doing this, you can close Microsoft Edge and head toward the next step. Step 2. Disable Edge PDF Viewer. Next, disable the built-in PDF Viewer in Edge. Type Edge Settings Content Documents in the address bar, hit Enter, and turn on Always Download PDF Files. This will make Edge download the PDF instead of opening it directly. Step 3. Reset Microsoft Edge. Finally, if the issue persists, reset Microsoft Edge. Again, open Edge and go to Settings. Search for Reset Setting and click Reset Settings, then restore settings to their default values. Confirm by clicking Reset. This will restore Edge to its default state without affecting your data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.